Hey bikers, we got a really good news for you. The wait is finally over because Bikester Global is now riding into MiraRoad. So now you're wondering where in MiraRoad, right?
It's in Salasar Exotica, 1 behind GCC Club Road. That's right. Your favorite motorcycling gears and accessories destination is now more close to your home. From your daily city rides to your weekend breakfast rides, or maybe your Ladakh trip, and even your wildest off-road adventures. Let's see what we've got. Whoa, that's massive. So we have the entire range for helmets over here. We've got dual sport, we've got motocross, we've got full face, we've got half face, and we got here boots. We got short boots here. We have the long ones, which will protect your shin. We got waterproof. We got a daily office wear, but without compromising the safety. We got all the range for you. Here we got wide range of intercoms. Also some CarPlay devices, a few LEDs, and the motocross goggles. Here we got a spacious changing room where you can try your riding gears. This section is for soft luggage. We got tank bags, we got hydration backpacks, mood covers, we got thigh bags here. We have hard luggage. Just next to it, you will find the maintenance kit, which is really needed every day. So what we got here? We got chain loop, chain brush, we got grease, battery, everything dude. Very important, aux light, right? We got it here. We got HD, Mad Dog and Xana. And then variety of mobile mounts. This entire section is for gloves. We got off-road, we got daily commute, we got touring and racetrack gloves also. And then let's move ahead. So we got a wide range of pants here, but my favorite is what you find here. It's the racetrack suit. So on the top you can see knuckle guards and chin protectors. And then you have the entire wide range of accessories. From balaclava to brake pads, bungee cords, mobile chargers, puncture kits, helmet locks, Bluetooth speakers, grips, screen protectors, and lot of accessories. Guys, I don't know, I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, how can I miss this? We got wide range of jackets over here. From street jacket to touring jacket. From touring to race suit. We got all the jackets which will suit your riding style. So guys, do visit our store in MiraRoad. Addresses will be in the caption, and I hope you love the experience.